Oh, hi. I'm Detective Carter. I have a problem. I have some items, and I need to find one that is different. Can you help me find the odd one out? There are 4 words. We need to pick the one that is not the same. Are you ready? We have gardening, water, banana, and grow. Interesting. These words are about what happens in a garden, but which one is a little different? That's right. Banana is different. Gardening, watering, and growing happen when you have plants in a garden. A banana is a fruit. A banana can come from a garden, but it is a thing, not an action. Banana is the odd word out. Here's our next set. Banana, vegetable, seed, and chili. Hey, you can find these in the garden, but one word is not the same. Which one is it? The answer is seed. Bananas, vegetables, and chilies are fruits and vegetables. They all start as seeds, and they grow into fruit or vegetable plants. A seed is different. Good work. You helped me find the odd one out. See you next time, friends.